We'll be known as the heroes that save the graves. We'll go on Joe Rogan and people will know our names. They'll make a series like Stranger Things and movies like Lord of the Rings, and the whole flat earth will see we're not alone. And we will run to Area 51, and we will run one for all and all for one, and we will run to Area 51, and we will run to free the aliens. We'll throw rocks, send out Naruto runners. Our Kyles will be buffed up on Monster, immune to their gunners. We will crash right through their walls. They cannot stop us all, and the Force will protect us. We're not alone. And we will run to Area 51, and we will run one for all and all for one, and we will run to Area 51, and we will run to free the aliens. September came and we were 30,000 strong. We were barely men, and at least 4 girls came along. A time had come, this was our only chance. We stormed the base, but could not get over the fence. The ones who did were strong and quick, found the walls were 40 feet thick, and they mowed us down. We were all alone. 20,000 died that day. Don't you shed a tear, 'cause we've got a plan to storm the base Los Alamos next year. And we will run to Area 51, and we will run to free the aliens. We're gonna free those aliens. Set those aliens free. Set them aliens free. Yeah.
Hey guys, if you like this video or it made you laugh, hit that like button, touch right here on the screen to hit the subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. We'll see you guys on the trail.